Hey everyone, and welcome back to Shadows FX video. And in this video we are going to be forecasting this 1:8.8, actually 1:9 trade on EURUSD. So this trade was actually a week ago, maybe. Yeah, it was 2 weeks ago. I was busy a bit, so that is why I was not able to upload any videos. But I feel from now onwards I'll be consistent on YouTube too and on Discord. So finally we have launched our website also, but the course is not done yet. We are providing free analysis and free signals on Discord, so you can join our Discord channel in the link given in the description below. So, and also make sure to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Many people watch the video, but only a small percent of you have subscribed. So don't miss out, just subscribe. It helps me a lot. So okay, let's begin. So first of all, the trend was not actually an uptrend. We found this trade in 15 minutes, and then like this was more lower time frame. But then first of all we went to the daily time frame. And when I saw, I just delete out everything, and when I saw, I was here. So not actually here, a bit front. Yeah, I was here maybe. What I saw that the market went up, it went down. So first of all, the trend was an uptrend, so I was finding only buy trades. Now the trend recently has gone to downtrend. I was waiting, and then in 4 hours, in 4 hours, I saw this move here. It was a small move, but I felt that this can work out because this was the reason why the market structure had broken, and also it had a good liquidity zone over here in the 4 hours time frame. So I was waiting for it to touch my zone, and then it finally touched. I waited a lot here actually. It was like how much? It was 22 days. So I saw the trade here only actually. I saw it very back, but then I had taken trades here also, but then it failed. But then I got the trade here, and then this was in 4 hours time frame. It touched and it went up. After that, I switched to 1 hour time frame for marking my market structure, and I had seen this break of structure. I was thinking to take a trade here, but then if you see previously that there is like a liquidity zone here, so that people will come here, they'll place their trades, and the market will push down, and we didn't want that. So we waited for a while, and after a lot of time, the market finally moved up. I'll show you why I took the trade actually. So first of all, what I felt was market had already touched all these zones. So if we see here, after this zone mitigation, there was one more zone over here according to me. I don't know about your analysis. Maybe your analysis is different, but then this was my analysis. There was no breakout structure above this zone. First of all, I was waiting for this zone, but then I was like, no, it is not going to come up. And I wanted to take trades and release the trades very early. That is why I saw a trade here, and I just waited for a while. I switched to 15 minutes time frame, and when I saw this, the market was moving like this, meaning market had turned downtrend. So higher high, higher low, and lower low, lower high, and lower low, and lower high. So after this, I felt the market has changed direction already. So this was the last lower high, and this was the last lower low, and then the market changed direction from here. So that is why I marked my change of character over here, and then our liquidity sweep, which was this one, and then we also and one more thing was we also saw this thing, the trades which had already mitigated. So that is why we didn't take here, and until the breakout structure we cannot see any trades. That is why we didn't take any trades. So this was one more breakout structure, and this was a good zone. That is why I saw this one too, and it was, I guess, a good liquidity sweep. Yes, it was a liquidity sweep, as you can see if I zoom in. If you see that it was a sweep of liquidity, many traders had got stopped out. First of all, I saw this zone over here, and I just had marked this, but then I was thinking, no, I need to go to more lower time frame, and I was thinking to mark, but I guess I just didn't mark. Let's see. And if we go like this, I didn't mark this last candle, I marked this last candle. and I had taken the trade. So if we go to 4 hours, and no, first of all, I'll show you in the 15 minutes only. If we go to 5 minutes, sorry, the market had already touched this zone, so there was only one option that we could take this zone thing. So that is why we chose that one. If it was only a wick, I would take the trade, as it would be just like some liquidity sweep or something. So after this, we waited a lot for the market to move up and then come back to our zone. So let's just wait and see. Okay, it had finally mitigated, and our zone was not until here. I'll just show you. We had marked the zone properly, and then I guess it was this much. No. I guess our stop loss was more bigger. Like, yeah, it was like this. So this was the trade of EURUSD, and I'll just show you. It went to top. I guess, yeah. One more thing was, if you see the starting of the video, I had not taken the full one. Why? Because I felt the market is going to change direction as there was a closing date. So I had not actually taken the trade here, but I had put the photo in Instagram that to like until here, because why I had kept the take profit here was, if we go to the 15 minutes time frame and zoom in, so you can just see here, like until here. So this was the last down move. So sorry, this was the last point of interest, and previously this was the last point of interest, and the market had changed direction. That is why I didn't want to take trades over here, and I had closed the trade here. But I had closed the trade somewhere over here, which was like 1:6.82, because when I saw it was like the like the previous week ending. That is why I had taken out the trade somewhere over here when this fall had happened. I was thinking a lot. I was thinking first to keep all over here, but then I felt no, it is not going to happen. I had one take profit even for the whole thing, but then I felt because of the war and all, I thought not to take this trade, and this is how we close the video. I mean, close the trade. And also, if you can see, there is lot of liquidity zones over here, which made the trade more highly confident. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. So if you don't want to miss out any video, then please make sure to subscribe this video, and thanks for watching.